Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Pokémon Go on your PC using BlueStacks. This is great if you want to enjoy the game on a bigger screen or if you can't play it on your phone for any reason. The first thing you need to do is download BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run mobile apps on your PC. Open your web browser and go to the official BlueStacks website. Once you're there, click the download button and wait for the installer to download. After the installer is finished downloading, go ahead and open it. Follow the instructions on the screen to install BlueStacks. It will take a few minutes depending on your system. Once BlueStacks is installed, launch it. When BlueStacks opens, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is required to access the Google Play Store. Enter your Google login information, and once you're signed in, you can now access the Play Store just like you would on an Android device. Now that you're in the Play Store, use the search bar at the top and type in Pokémon Go. Find the official Pokémon Go app from Niantic and click Install. Wait for the app to finish installing. After installation is complete, you'll find Pokémon Go in your BlueStacks app library. Click on it to launch the game. Pokémon Go uses your device's GPS to track your location, and you'll need to set this up in BlueStacks as well. On the right-hand side of the BlueStacks window, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the location icon. This will allow you to set a virtual location so the game thinks you're moving around. You can enter any location you want to simulate walking in the game. Now you can start playing Pokémon Go just like you would on your mobile device. You'll be able to catch Pokémon, visit Pokestops, and battle in gyms all from your PC. Just remember that while this method works, Niantic has been known to ban players who use emulators, so proceed with caution if you're using this setup regularly. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.